name is Wiktoria. I'm doing instrument making and repair at the Glasgow Clyde College. I moved to Scotland 5 years ago, and initially I studied product design. And after that I thought I would like to learn some more practical skills somewhere. What encouraged me to study instrument making was more of a making process. So far I've been really enjoying the course. One thing that I noticed straight away is that the atmosphere was amazing. We had a lot of people from a variety of backgrounds and of different ages. Another thing is just the tutors, because first of all they have a lot of experience, but second of all you can see that they really care about our journey here and our development and about the course itself. Also, I think what you learn here is actually so vast, and all those skills you can actually use later on, not only for making guitars, but also just for making some other things. Those woodworking skills are amazing. I can see myself taking those skills and using them to create something different. But that will also make a career for me in the future. Anyone who's interested in instruments, has some skill in guitar playing, and someone who is interested in woodworking, fine woodworking, would find here a perfect place.